When visualization helps motivation, it's not because you imagined the outcome, it's because you trained the brain to stay engaged with the process. The mistake most people make is visualizing success. That gives the brain a reward signal without requiring effort. Instead, effective visualization focuses on showing up. You imagine yourself starting. You imagine staying present even when it's uncomfortable. You imagine continuing even when it doesn't feel good yet. Not the result, the experience of doing.